Chapter 6-1, Law of Sines. Law of Sines can be used to find angles and sides of any triangle with the following markings. Angle, side, angle, 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 side, and side, side, angle. Yes, make sure you read it as side, side, angle, and not backwards because we do not cover this class.
What's it read backwards?
It says, well, yeah.
No, don't spell what.
Given ABC, a triangle with sides A, B, and C, little sides A, B, and C, and angles capital A, capital B, and capital C, then the following is true.
Slow down.
Thank you.
I don't like when you do that because it makes it harder to read.
If there's really anything that you guys like that I do in here, except for not giving you homework and not talk to you.
Exactly.
I like when you talk.
Yeah, you can talk to us.
I like when we have discussions.
Side A over sine of angle A is equal to side B divided by the sine of angle B, which is equal to side C divided by the sine of angle C.
Well, this helps me do my taxes.
Let's go discussion. I like talking to you. Because math, no. I'd rather just.
Now, you can flip these over too and make it the reciprocals. I have a tendency to use sine of A over little a equals sine of B over little b, which equals sine of C over little c. It does not matter though. You say potato, I say potato. You say carrots, I say carrots. What must be something?
What is that, Yoder?
People who actually live there.
What do you cross multiply for?
Because you're going to have two of them equal to each other. A fraction equal a fraction. You have a fraction equaling a fraction, what do? Cross multiplication.
So you're French now?
Where do we use this in life?
Grocery store.
I think I'm going to be great.
Where do you use this in life? You use this in life so that you can find all the angles. You have many different things that you need to have angles on. This is root, slope, angles, all over the house.
Someone going to read for me. So
I'm going to be a nerd. I don't do root.
There's no angles on the tax form. Too bad.
Yeah, you were, yeah.
Next slide, go.
Tell her what to
Hey, don't tell me if I'm on the right track.
Nope.
Hold the book with a note, girl. And you have a math teacher as a mother.
Can I take my test home then?
No.
Come on with the math teacher. I want to go home. I hide.
My poor children, thank you right now.
Not that good. I build myself a house.
Are we ready?
Then you Pokey know how to do angles.
We just
No, you have something.
Pokey little puppy back there.
I got a new puppy.
I have puppies.
I have two dogs. I will play them all day.
Yeah, we're ready now.
Ow!
They're so cute though.
Mine's a Yorkie Poodle. He's a cutie.
If I give you $20, can I skip last night somewhere?
If I give you $100, can I get that list that I have?
You can give me $100.
Stop calling me. Okay, okay, yeah.
Hey, we already talked about this, so you need to copy that. Here's the information that you have.
What is that?
This is what you're given. You have to find every single thing in this triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C, side A, side B, side C. Given the information in black, which is angle A is 36 degrees, angle or side A is 8, and side B is 5.
Oh, it's like an S.
Well, it's a 5.
No, it's an S. It's like the Sharpie S.
Hey, I didn't say it.
What are you doing?
Now,
This is kind of learning.
doesn't matter where you put angle A, B, and C. If I put A here, 36. If I put B up here and C over here, angle A is 36 degrees, which means across from angle A is going to be little a, which is 8. Across from angle B is going to be little b, which is going to be 5. Did we all get that? Yes or no?
You use Pythagorean.
Can you use Pythagorean theorem on a triangle that's not a right triangle? No, you cannot. And in this section, everybody get their books open. To section 6.1, which is 392. Your homework assignment is on page 398.
That means I got a bunch of crap to copy. I'll do it. I'll pay them to do it. Do I have to write all of the little blue boxes?
Now, we are using the law of signs here. We're going to be using the law of signs. You have to use the information they gave you to find every single thing. So, immediately, what you're going to use is going to be angle A and sine A. So that means I have the sine of A over little a. And what else do I know? I know little b, which means since I know little b, I have to use that, which means I am going to be finding what variable here? The sine of b, which is angle b. Do we all understand that, yes or no? I've used the information that has been presented to me. Now, I want to make this very clear. Look at the markings of this triangle. Before I can be 100% certain that I can use the law of sines, I have to check the markings on this. The markings on this say that it is side, side, angle. Can I use law of sines for the side, side, angle triangle? Yes, you can. Let's not read that backwards again. Are we good? Okay? Just making sure that you're remembering when you can use it. Why isn't it angle side, side? Because it's a password.
So, we're sure.
No, you're not.
Class
A is 36, little a is 8, B we do not know, and little b was 5. Now how do I solve this?
That's great.
You have to cross multiply, but I'm not going to cross multiply because I'm lazy. I'm going to multiply by 5 on both sides. And that's going to give me the sine of b. Wow, my board's just great today.
Safe degree.
It's being a dumb board today.
Where'd the 8 go?
The 8's there.
Why?
Guys,
If you cross multiply, that would.
or you just multiply by what you get rid of, which is the 5. Right? If you want to cross multiply, you can do it in 2 steps. I do it in 1 step. You want to do it in 2 steps, you have a jolly good time doing it.
I will.
Do it. Now, I need to find b. So how do I get rid of that sign? Arc sine. So I need sine inverse of 5 times sine of 36, which is just a number, divided by 8, is going to be equal to angle b. So get your calculators out. Get your calculators out. What I want you all to do is I want you to get a new document. That new document is going to be a calculator page. I want you to click on the battery. When you click on the battery, I want you to go to document settings. You must be in degree mode. You cannot use the degree symbol and think it's going to be okay. Okay? If you use the degree symbol, we tried 3rd grade today, it did not work because we're doing calculations. You understand? We're doing the arc sign with the sign and it will not work. So you have to make sure you're in degree, so press OK. At this point, you're going to hit trig, sine inverse, division, 5 times trig of sine of 36, arrow down over 8. Do I need to put the degree symbol with the 36 degrees now? No, because I'm in degree mode already. And hit enter, and what is the angle for angle A? What is the measurement for angle B? Sorry. Angle B's measurement was what? 21.55 degrees. So how can I find angle C?
Subtract of my 180.
I'm going to take 180 minus 36 minus 22.5. 21. 0.5.
Why don't you just do 1.6?
That's what I'm going to do. And what does that give you? 122.4. So what have I done?
Found all your angles.
I have found all of my angles, haven't I? So if I come back over here, angle B is going to be equal to 21.6. 180 minus 36 minus 21.6, which was the 122.4. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to put those in here. Okay? That's the information we have so far. Now, what am I missing? My side C. Can I just use Pythagorean theorem here?
No.
No, because we don't know if this thing is a right triangle. Clearly, we know it's not a right triangle now, because I have 122.4 degrees as my largest angle, which is going to make this an obtuse triangle. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
We all good on that? So the only way I can find C is by doing the law of sine yet again, correct? So I go back to the previous information that I was given. I always use my given information. Why do I use my given information? Because I know my given information is right. We all understand that. If I use something else, then I may jack up my problem. So I'm going to go ahead and use the sine of A over A is equal to the sine of C over little c. Well, A is going to be 36 degrees. A is 8. Angle C is 122.4, and I do not know little c. So how do I find little c? Cross multiply. C times the sine of 36 is equal to 8 times the sine of 122.4.
Okay, is that a big series?
Little c.
Whoa.
Nice shot, big shot there. Now what? Divide by the sine of 36 on both sides. So little c is going to be equal to 8 times the sine of, what was that? 22.4 over the sine of 36. And what did that give you?
11.49.
11.49. Now I have found every single thing. Now this is exactly like problems on last night's homework. Like 1 through 14 odd. Now, in your book, they may give you an angle. Let's say angle C would be 36 degrees, 54 minutes, and 12 seconds. How do I get that on my calculator? How do I get that on my calculator? I hit the key to the right of 9. When I hit the key to the right of 9, it's going to be right here, degrees, minutes, and seconds. We all see that. Degrees, minutes, and seconds is right there.
That's not right.
Okay? Now, let's do area.
I'm trying to like catch up with you, and you're just.
Hey, attitude.
She's got the attitude. She's not once asked me to say, slow down.
Slow down. Yeah. Talking.
Well, how am I supposed to know that hey was directed
Oh,
to me?
kind of.
That's why.
Maybe you were just.
Okay. What I said. Are you listening, Trish? What I said is your lovely little book is going to give you degrees, minutes, and seconds. So how do you get the degrees, minutes, and seconds?
Do you just have that as part of the degree?
Yes, I sure wish that would go away. But it's not wanting to bring it in there. Hit the key to the right of 9. And that right of 9 in the second row, second column, is going to be degrees, minutes, and seconds key.
Oh, okay.
For whenever they give you an angle in degrees, minutes, and seconds for the third time. Does everybody hear me?
Use that one more.
Ah!
Area of any triangle. Area of any triangle. It's called Heron's formula. You don't have to have the height. Okay? But it is very, very important that you have specific you have to have specific information. Okay? This is going to be used with the side-side angle. It's going to be used with the side-side angle.
How much of our final grade is this?
All of it.
Area is equal to 1/2 B times C times the sine of angle A, which is also equivalent to 1/2 A times C times the sine of B, which is also equivalent to, I'm going to get out of your way here in a minute, A times B times the sine of C. Those are all equivalent. It's really not ugly, it's very simple. But again, you have to make sure it's the side-side angle concept. Okay? And if you don't know that, we'll check it out. Look at the pattern of these formulas. They give you B and C. What side is missing? A, which means you use the sine of angle A. In the second formula, I give you side A and C. What side is missing? B. Jet, you're not even paying attention. You're zone number. Okay, quit zone. I give you side A and C. What side is missing is B, so you're going to use sine of angle B. Look at the third one. I give you A and B. What side is missing is C, so you're going to use the sine of angle C. Do you understand that, yes or no? So if I'm asking for you to find the lovely little area of this triangle with angle A being 5 degrees, 15 minutes, side B being 4.5, and side C being 22, my question to you is, can you find that? Here's my triangle. Here's A. A is going to be 5 degrees, 15 minutes. Here's angle B, so that means there's your side, 4.5. Here's the side angle A, or angle C, sorry, and that's going to give you your 22. Now, I gave you the wrong one over here. This is going to be the side angle side. Sorry about that. Side angle side, not side angle. Side angle side. Since this is the side angle side, can I use my formula? Yes, I can. So I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to use the area formula. It's 1/2 B times C times the sine of A. Plug and check, that's all I gotta do. 1/2 B is going to be 4.5. C is 22. Sine of A, which is going to be 5 degrees, 15 minutes. I come back over here to my calculator. And I type in 0.5 times 4.5 times 22 times the sine of, go to your key to the right, get your degrees, minutes, and seconds. And that's 5 degrees, arrow to the right, 15 minutes, arrow to the right, 0 seconds. You have to put the 0 in there. And hit enter. To give you 4.5. 4.5 what? Did it take it? Yeah. Gives you 4.5 square units. Why square units? Because of this area. That's your area. This is going to be, I don't know what the units, notes say what the units are as well. Yeah. This is like 21 through 26. Now, I want to make sure you guys understand this. You may struggle with 15 through 20. If you struggle with 15 through 20, what I want you guys to do is I made you outline the chapter for a reason. I'll be more than happy to explain 15 through 22 tomorrow. The examples in the textbook are amazing. Examples 3, 4, and 5 are really good on problems 15 through 20. It's talking about when you do not have a solution. And what page do we need to be on for that?
394.
394 has great ambiguous cases with a side-side angle case. That blue shaded box is very, very important. And it'll show you the single solution case, the no solution case, and the two solution cases. Okay? Those examples are phenomenal. Please read them in the textbook. That's why I asked you to outline the section. Okay? I want to focus on today the area, and I want to focus on problems 1 through 14 today, because that's the bulk of the assignment. If you don't understand how to do those, then you're really going to be lost on everything else. So are we all good on what I taught today? Make sure those problems that I talked about first today, then at tonight, your end of year assignment, do the 15 through 20, and we'll talk about those tomorrow to make sure you guys don't have any additional homework. I'm not giving you any additional homework tonight. Tonight's assignment is still 1 through 25. Okay? I had a lot of people out with skills, and I wanted to make sure I didn't get too far ahead. Are we good?
Please, hello?
Yeah.
Come on, you're coming back to it.